SPTV.
What's up? I'm Ben.
And I'm Ian.
And today we're gonna design that movie ID
D
card.
card.
Alright, we're back and design that. And Ian and I got something really cool cooking up today. What are we doing today, Ian?
We're designing movie ID cards.
You know, you watch a movie, they got a cool little ID, usually in a futuristic kind of setting. Maybe.
And usually it's a giant corporation that everyone knows.
Someone had to make that. And we're gonna kind of see what it was like to do that. So we both picked some cool cinematic universes where we like and would want to have an ID card from. What movie did you choose?
I chose the 1981 film Blade Runner.
Blade Runner.
Another reason why I chose it is because these movies are somewhat connected now. So I thought it'd be kind of off cousin movie, second cousin movie, whatever you call it.
Nice segue to my movie. I chose the Alien franchise. So I'm making a Weyland Yutani ID card, ID pass. And then yours was, what was it called again?
Tyrell Corporation.
Tyrell Corporation. This isn't Game of Thrones.
No.
This is Blade Runner.
Running of blades.
We didn't have a laminator, so I had to get some sleeves with lanyards off of Amazon. We had to base the size of these ID cards off these sleeves, so it's like 3 3/4 by 2 2/4.
I think I went by like, my height was like 388 and then my width was 2 something. Yeah, something so.
So about 3 by 5 and they're vertical IDs. So they might, if there are actual IDs of these that exist in these movies, they're probably not going to be the same sideways or size-wise. So,
I'm kind of glad we didn't like vertical though.
yeah, we worked within the constraints that we had. So let's get
Let's
going.
design that.
Yeah. All right, we just created some
Kick-ass ID cards.
kick-ass movie ID cards. Ian, how'd yours turn out?
I liked it. Okay, if you
Liked it.
that's the most general broad saying, but I don't know. Like when you watch my video, you can see that I went between Umbrella Corporation from Resident Evil franchise and this a lot, but I decided to choose this one just because I don't know. I like the colors and the way, and just like I don't know. I've been watching the Blade Runners and stuff recently, so I've really got into it. So I thought it was just kind of a cool concept, and I like the corporation and like all the visuals just kind of added to it, because in the movie Tyrell is like the only successful company and everything else is kind of like slums, and I don't know, it's just like how the names across everything you see in the movie. in the way it's shot, you know, with all the futuristic aspects and, you know, some of the Chinese aspects in there. I just thought it was really cool.
Yeah, dude, it's got some good contrast. You got your classic black and red in there that you love so much.
Black and red always works. I mean, that's what if you see, that's what I was going to do with the umbrella card, but I don't know. I wanted to do something a little different.
The type's a little big, I think.
I thought that too.
Yeah, because manufactured is so much smaller than all the other ones.
I had to because there wasn't enough room, and this was at the end because when I was doing it, I was like, date of birth. I was like, well, technically a machine doesn't have a birth.
Oh, nice.
So I was just like, so I might as well say manufactured.
That's cool.
Yeah, the reason why I chose 2015 is because the newest Blade Runner, not the newest one, 81 Blade Runner is set in 2019, and the Nexus 6 at the time, that's the robot, they only have a 4-year lifespan. So I would have been made in 2015, I guess.
Nice.
Yeah. And
nice.
yeah, and I thought like on the name right here, I put my initials just secretly in there, IEW.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was looking at it with Brian, I was like, he didn't even put his name on this.
Yeah.
And then we see
No, because
code.
I could say
replicant.
replicants don't like. I liked how in the new 2049 they just call him K, and I was like, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Okay.
K.
Pretty dope.
Oh yeah. If you're wondering, at the bottom of the front page, it says just genetic replicants in Chinese. So.
Any Chinese fans out there?
Yeah.
What does it say? Let us know.
Yeah, if I fucked it up, but if I did, it's Google Translate's fault.
Oh, you use Google Translate? There's no way that's right.
Well, you either use like there was a version to choose. There's like simplified or I did traditional, so I thought that would come out better.
All right, let's look at mine now. So yeah, I did the alien universe. So I just went simple layout with the colors. I chose one like an off-white, so it would look a bit nicer. And I added really subtle screen print. Those little dots. What are those called? Halftone. I halftoned the white.
I didn't even see that, but if you look real close, I can see them.
So it's in there. I wanted to be really subtle. I really like the black and yellow color palette.
Is that their normal color palette?
Yeah.
I would assume.
Yeah. So I did barcode like yours. Cool. I got a little Snapchat barcode on there that takes you to the YouTube channel. So that was a nice touch.
Wait, like, what do you mean? I'm confused.
If you scan that on your Snapchat, it takes you to my YouTube channel.
Oh, I thought those only worked for Snapchat channels. I didn't know you could use them for other channels.
No, you can put your own URL.
Oh shit.
And yeah, so
that's
I mean,
cool as fuck.
I put a lot of Easter eggs in mine too. I hit LV426 in the ID number. I gave myself.
Isn't that the planet?
Yeah, the planet of the first one. I gave myself the same like rank as Ellen Ripley, the warrant officer. I tried to make it set it up to look like I was on the Nostromo before this crew came onto it.
No, before Ridley's crew.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
and then for the expiration date of the ID, I put the day Alien came out, May 25th, and the year 2122 is the year the movie takes place.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then on the back, just slapped a nice big thick Weyland
Yutani logo.
Yeah, similar to yours. We
Yeah.
had the same idea on the back there.
This is a small critique, but I think maybe on your ID where the square and the, like, I can't remember the border of it, maybe you should like take down the opacity in it, because that's what I always worried about mine.
On the yellow?
Yeah. Just right here though, like on your ID, the square. But everything else, and sometimes I guess, since it's on just, plain old paper, it's kind of hard to see, but sometimes the yellows can kind of get contrasted in there. Other than that, that's about it.
Let us know what you guys think about these sick ID cards.
And if you have any ideas, leave some comments down below.
Yeah, give us ideas of things to design.
And if you want to check out more art and other stuff, just click that subscribe button. Ring the bell.
See ya. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if that'll be good enough.
Hey, I'm Ian. Get your noises out.
Frame?
I'm in frame. Is this a good shot? Good shot?
Do the clap thing. Is it recording?